I am back in Deception Bay at Narelle's rather retro-style property. Before, the only really interesting thing here was the rather expensive whisky collection. So I'm hoping Charlie and Shayne have given us something different to focus on. The interesting facade was hardly everyone's cup of tea. A general tidy-up, topped off with lovely new awnings and a smart new entry. Much better. Nothing like a slap in the face when you walk in the front door. This room was severely down and out, but the new flooring, paint and styling have made a world of difference. I am thrilled to see that Shayne has called last orders for that dreadful bar. Rather than an alcohol-infused thoroughfare, this is now a functional sitting room. Ah yes, Shayne's man cave filled with whisky. Hardly a selling point, well at least not for a family. All signs of alcohol have been removed and this is now a proper fourth bedroom. Oh Charles, you do surprise me with your talent. Glad to see the outdoor ghetto is no longer. Lovely new decking to cover up that ghastly concrete. I think Narelle and Shayne might enjoy a tipple or two out here now. Well, I can finally breathe a sigh of relief. With a few cosmetic changes, this place feels so much fresher and brighter, and we got away without moving the kitchen. It's also now a 4-bedroom family home, perfect for the lucky new owners.